The European Insurance Forum on Wrynn TV, sponsored by IDA Ireland.
There is a reality. For some time now, pricing has been going down, and it's clearly well below the cost of loss costs. So in reality, insurers are no longer making a return on their capital.
Employee counts have gone down, revenues have gone down, vehicles, property values, cash flow most importantly, and free cash all gone down. What's gone up? Claims levels have gone up, bad debts have gone up, stress levels have gone up, and insurance pricing has tended to drift upwards as well.
The industry has to be much more aggressive and proactive, and they have to be much more innovative, especially with those emerging risks. But we also have to realize that the large companies, you mentioned energy companies, are becoming more sophisticated with respect to their management of that risk and their financing of that risk. So they're not necessarily going to the traditional companies or carriers like they did in the past.
Risk in itself is evolving and changing, and as I would say, there would be one or two very key areas that are changing. One most certainly is around social media and the risk that social media is bringing to our clients. I would see cyber risk from the view of a number of different aspects actually. One is loss of data. We've seen WikiLeaks and the type of activities that they get up to, which is clearly very unhelpful to those that are attacked. Cyber terrorism, another big issue.
And one of the things I'm very concerned about is that many areas of risk are no longer being covered by the insurance industry. I think that puts us at risk in insurance of being irrelevant, of not making the difference we're supposed to make. I look at what's going on in cyber liability. Well, very few clients have bought. I look at the fact that many big energy companies don't even buy insurance anymore. You know, these are indicators that we're not as relevant as we should be.
I think companies have to be more innovative and creative on a number of fronts, and you tack on the lack of the investment return that they've experienced over the last number of years and the soft market that they've encountered, and they really have some challenges to deal with.
If I think of risk in the longer term, I suppose I think of the aging of the population, I suppose I think of concentration of risk, and I think of population growth. Three very significant issues as we look to the future.
The reality is the world's more complex and ever riskier. For all companies, I think the solution to this challenge, especially when our clients are trying to lower their costs, is to focus on innovative solutions. How can we solve those problems in a new way and try and come to a more appropriate price for risk?